no. Purple. Yeah, you look nice, Denny. Alright, on today's episode of Gardening with Dan, we are going to put these green onions in a pot. They've been growing for a week and they are sprouting again. Okay, so now we have to ditch Ripple. Bye, Ripple. You gotta go. Bye. Bye, Ripple. Ripple, go on. No, Denny, you stay with me. Denny, come here. Okay. Bye, Ripple. So these are all the herbs I bought from Bunnies. Denny, would you like to show us the herbs? Denny? Denny, you're not paying attention. This is sage, Thai basil, thyme, and a sweet potato vine at the end with the heart-shaped leaves. Oregano, another sweet potato with cool leaves, and another thyme. But today, we're planting green onion. Yeah, gonna plant some onions, Denny. We have about 10 of these. Bring out here. Thank you. All right. That's pretty good. Say hi to your friends, Denny. Come here. Denny. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching Gardening with Dan.